Well, today we decided to come over here to Riverside Park in Fort Morgan. I've driven by, I've never been here. Lots of geese and birds. They're over there in that water under that thing. I don't know what they're doing over there. Very pretty. I don't know. The river's got to be over there. There goes another batch. Looks like a lot of little ones over here. There's the highway up there. That's where we're at, if you can see it. Inundated. Gosh, here they come. You see them? I can't even see them. Okay, if you like this video, hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to our channel. Thanks and have a great day.